Dear students, welcome to one more new video of social science. In this video, let us see model paper of achievement test 1 which have been prepared for formative assessment 1. Let's begin. Here total 10 lessons have been selected for formative assessment 1. History 3 lessons, political science 1 lesson, sociology 1 lesson, geography 3 lessons, economics 1 lesson, business studies 1 lesson. Total 10 lessons have been selected for formative assessment 1. First main 4 choices are given for each incomplete statements or questions. Choose the correct answer and write the complete answer along with its letter of alphabet. Total 2 questions. Each question carries 1 mark. In 1498, Vasco da Gama reached a place called Lisbon, Kapadu, Kochi, Chennai. Correct answer is option B, Kapadu. Second one, Lord Wellesley resigned from his post and returned to England because of his inefficiency, his weakness, his battle thirstiness, his defeat against the Marathas. Correct answer is option C, his battle thirstiness. Now let's move to second main. Answer the following questions in a sentence each. 2 questions. Each question carries 1 mark. Why was the military system was redesigned during the British rule? The British government accepted the recommendations of Peel Commission in 1857. Based on these recommendations, the military system was redesigned. Fourth one, when was the Tashkent Agreement signed? The Tashkent Agreement was signed in the year 1966. Let's move to third main. Answer the following questions in 4 sentences each. Each question carries 2 marks, total 4 marks. What are the major forms of social stratification? The major forms of social stratification are primitive society, slavery, estate system, Varna system, caste system. Or what are the problems of untouchability? The problems of untouchability are the lowest position in the social strata. They were kept out of the education, denial of property rights, denial of political participation rights. Question number 6. State the importance of the Northern Great Plain. The importance of the Northern Great Plain are: it is very suitable for irrigation and agriculture as it has perennial rivers and vast fertile alluvial soil. Its level land supports a network of roads, railways, and means of communication. They are useful for industrialization, urbanization, and trade. A number of pilgrim centers are located here. These are the importance of the Northern Great Plain. Fourth main, answer the following question in 6 sentences each. There are 2 questions. Each question carries 3 marks, total 6 marks. Question number 7. Explain the weather condition in the rainy season. The rainy season is also known as the southwest monsoon season. Since the temperature rises by the end of summer season, a low pressure area is developed over central India. On the other hand, there is high pressure over the Indian Ocean, hence, the moisture laden winds blow from the southwest towards India. They bring rainfall to different parts of the country. About 75% of the rainfall occurs during this rainy season. Question number 8. Examine the causes for low HDI of India. The causes for low HDI of India are poverty, unemployment, low per capita income, lack of basic amenities, economic inequality, backwardness in agriculture.